Hello family, today we want to do a spiral step deformation. This is the starting point of a spiral step. So you have to mark line, Abi. See the line. So use nail, put here. When you put line here, then you get the circumference of the circle. See the line here, the line of the step. You can see it. You can see the line. You get your spiral. Then after, you come and form a circle or semicircle. See it here. This is a spiral step. I'll not capture your face, so ma adjust the video. See? So if you have not done a spiral step before, or maybe you've not been to where they did a spiral step, so this video is for you. So everything here is step by step. The process is step by step. How to form it. So we just started it now. We have got the circumference of the circle. So you go cut this thing until you reach this circle. Yes. If they see no be small work. And like this, you do that in KJ1. You are forming a spiral step.
Hello. That don't tell you.
You see? So we have finished getting our art. You can see it here. You can see it. You can see it. You can see it here. So we have entered another stage. another house where I go build. I go do that kind step and I go call you.
Okay.
Now you go handle the building, not only the step. This is the formation of, in case you are just joining, this is the formation of a spiral step. So follow us, like and share. Comment. So each of these things is the riser, the wideness of the riser. You can see it here. This is the first riser, the second riser. This is the third riser. So this here now is the fourth one. So for those of us that followed us from the scratch, so we have completed the step. You can see it's spiral step. You can see how the thing goes. You can see it. This is a spiral step. You can see it here. You can see it here. This is a 6-bedroom duplex at Sabah Delta State. This is the living room, the parlor. can see it. So we are doing our iron work for decking. We are doing iron work for decking. Oh, nah, esi m nteje wee bịa here now. I think I'm bịa fụrụ m akwa na ụnụ abịara ọrụ. So this is another step in the building. So let me climb up. Let me climb up so that you will see everywhere. So you can see our iron work is going on. You can see our iron work. So very soon we will round up the decking. So very soon we will round up the decking. You can see it here. This is a 6-bedroom duplex at the Delta Asaba. So bring your work. You are going to deliver. You will deliver on time. So see our step here. You can see our step. See our spiral step.